Hey guys, what's up? How are you all? So in this part, what we are going to do, we are going to solve a parity, as I left you with the parity in the last lecture, last tutorial class, which was the part 2. Okay, so we were left with this parity. So what we are going to do in this lesson, we are just going to solve this parity by the formula of which we used to do in 4x4 only. But in 4x4 there are two parities, first in OLL cases and second in the PLL cases. But in this 5x5 also I did the separate video for this, because the notations for this are different, so you get confused whether to use R this or useful. Okay, so what I have done, that's why I covered the full video on this. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to hold the cube like this from where the parity is this, and apply the same formula we used to apply in the OL parity in 4x4. Okay, so and after applying the formula, this your last piece also gets solved, and this parity is such that your all the edges are solved, but you are only left with last piece, which will come like this. Okay, so this is the only parity in this in 5x5, and after that everything is very easy in 5x5, and it is quite easy than 4x4, to be honest. If you know 4x4 thoroughly, you can also solve this by intuition, also by even not seeing any tutorial video. Okay, so now we are going to apply this formula. Okay, so this is the chit from the formula of part 5 OLL only. So okay, you can see also I just hidden. Okay, so this is the same formula of that only. We are going to use the same thing. So what you are going to do, you are going to hold from this side, and in this R will be this and L will be this. Okay, so always remember that R will be this, L will be this. Okay, and everything remains same. So first what we are going to do, you are going to use R U2 X, rotate the cube, then again R U2 R U2 R prime U2 L prime, sorry L U2 R prime U2, then again R U2, then R prime U2, then again R prime, and you can see that your parity piece is now solved. So I hope guys you like this video and you find it tutorial easy. Also you can convert this formula into my modified formulas also. I have put a separate video on that. Okay, so you can watch this and you can modify this formula in my way. If you are facing difficulty with clockwise and anti-clockwise, reading the formula and doing the thing clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so if you are not comfortable with clockwise and anti-clockwise, then you need to watch my modified notation, cube notation video. Okay, and I have made it very clear for smallest cube to the biggest cube. Okay, so from smaller cube to bigger cube. Okay, so that was all for today's video. Thank you guys.